Hello students, have a nice day. In previous video I have explained future indefinite, but now in this video I would like to explain problem of overpopulation. India is facing different kinds of problems. Population problem is one of them. We cannot say one father is earning 50,000, 10,000, 20,000, 25,000 rupee per month, but his children cannot enjoy because perhaps they are overpopulation. Whom we can say that you are overpopulation at home? This is question. India faces a number of problems. The most pressing problem before our country at present is the problem of population. Our Honorable Chief Minister Yogi ji has announced a important rule, that is important for all us, that we must have only 2 sons, 2 our daughters, only 2 offsprings. India's population is growing by leaps and bounds. China is first in population in the world. Next comes India. At the time of independence, our population was 30 crores. Now it is more than 130 crores. Every year we have a new Australia added to our population. If this problem is not solved, India cannot be happy, healthy and prosperous nation. The evils of our population are seen everywhere. The trains are overcrowded. The land in village is divided and further divided. The number of unemployed persons is increasing. Forests are disappearing. The housing problem is growing serious day by day. There are many causes behind this problem. India is a hot country, so naturally we have a high birth rate. Due to better medical facilities, death rate has fallen. Our social customs are also responsible for making this problem serious. A children, persons are an unmarried youth is not respected anywhere in village marriage or arranged at an early age, and a widower with children marries again. Due to the advancement of medical sciences, of expectation of life at birth has risen for the last 70 years. Another cause of overpopulation is generally prosperity, which has nearly vanished under feeding as a cause of ill health. There is urgent need to check the population growth. For this, family planning is the only remedy. Family planning or welfare means keeping under control the number of children in the family. The population explosion is a threat to our national development. All efforts must be made to limit the size of the families. For the success of a family planning program, the cooperation of the people is very necessary. I think that we must follow the family planning. Otherwise, we will have to face different types of problems in future. Today, you have 1 big or 2 big lands in your village, but in next generations, perhaps you will have to face a lot of difficulties. That's all for this period.